President Uhuru Kenyatta Welodge 2022. No, the Keto budget, National Assembly, and Aduma can confirm to you, and Ron. We had put money in the budget. Mondo implement the Koru Soin Dam. Dam was meant to ensure no Koru to watch Maripi Makanuka Urumonakachi. So the first thing that the Ruto government did when they came into power was to remove that money from the budget and take it elsewhere. And therefore this problem we are facing here today of flooding in Kisumu and in Nyando, in Kano in particular, is as a result of willful negligence by the Ruto government. And we must hold them accountable. We have to hold them accountable. We have to hold them accountable. And then I'm going to Ruto kakanyo nyana ke bunge kuchi. Kanyi se manawache wange deal. Okay man. So we catch up one kakajo luo or one wasumbiri jomoko. The people you see here are all taxpayers. They are all paying taxes. And since they are taxpayers like any other Kenyan in any other part of the country, they deserve to be provided with the necessary services. They should not be turned into beggars when it comes to the provision of services. And therefore we shall continue to demand that the Ruto government restores the money in the budget to ensure that that Koru Dam is completed in the shortest time possible. Gift Mamuyo Jadwumini Kawakowe Kawun. The only gift, the only lasting tribute we can pay to Adembolomo is to ensure another Damurum. Makoroko Nindo Gikwi. Oh, come on. Hey.